Hi everyone, it's Dinara here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be talking about manifestation again, and I wanted to share my recent insight and one very important component of manifestation. Sometimes our wishes and manifestations, they come true and sometimes they don't, and I think I found this key element that will help you to manifest every time. So recently I won this nice blanket in an Instagram giveaway, and I was choosing the winner just by random using the randomizer. And I love this blanket because it's so warm. It's great for the winter, and the best thing is that it's in Gryffindor colors. Hope you can see it. So when I was participating in this contest, I absolutely forgot that I'm taking part in it, and I only remembered about this contest again when I received the message that I'm a winner. Before that, I was participating in different contests and in different giveaways, and I always was obsessed and fixated and waiting for the results, waiting for winning, and I was super disappointed if I didn't win. And that is a key element in any manifestation. The best thing is to forget and let go. As soon as you forget and let go, your manifestation will come true, just like mine. It's easier to say, oh, just forget and let it go, but it's hard to really do it and to really accept it and to really forget it. Because if we want something, and the more we want something, the harder it is to forget. We create this excess energy around our manifestation so that it will not come true. That is why I'm going to share some tips on how you can use some exercises in order to let go and forget all of the manifestations that you made. So the first thing is to tie your wishes or list of wishes to the air balloon filled with helium and let it go in the air. So this is kind of practical material way of letting go, because it flowed and you see it and your subconscious is letting it go. I know it sounds strange, but it works for me, and just try it out and see if it will work for you. The second thing is to track your thoughts and divert them. Anytime you start thinking, oh, when is the result of this contest? Am I going to win this giveaway? Or am I going to get my manifestation? Just think of something else. Just think of something that gives you joy, not gives you an anxiety about winning or losing. I know that handling your mind and handling your thoughts and directing them can be very difficult, but when you start doing it, it's hard. But the more you practice, as with any activity, the better it gets. So just divert your thoughts, and anytime you think about the manifestation that you want to fulfill in the life, just think about something else. I know, again, it's easier to say, but the more you try, the better you'll get in it. And the third thing to do is to accept wholeheartedly that your manifestation may not come true. And here comes the most important thing in manifestation, is understanding that if it's not coming true, your world will not end, and that it's not your manifestations that make you happy, it's vice versa. When you are happy, your manifestations are coming true. Just think of anything that you wanted in the past and that it fulfilled. You didn't feel super happy and excited. It felt like a norm for you. It felt like something casual, usual, and after a few hours, like I got my iPhone and I really wanted it, but like after a few minutes I got it. I was like, and that's it. There is no fireworks, there is no like super excitement. And I realized then that it's not the achievements that make me happy. It's good and it's nice to have comfortable life. It's good to have money and all of this things that makes our lives easier, but it will never fulfill the hole in your soul, and it will never make you feel happy. Again, it works like this. You are being happy and you attract more of the things that make you happy. And in order to be happy, you need to get a list of the things that make you happy. So for me, it's watching Harry Potter movies in my Gryffindor blanket, eating some good food, and walking in the snowy weather, and going out with my friends, reading books, listening to certain types of music. So I know what makes me happy, and every time I feel that I'm not happy, I'm just going to this list and seeing what I'm going to do today. So I hope this was helpful, and I wish you good luck with your manifestations. Let me know in the comments down below how it worked for you, what exercise worked for you to forget and let go your dream, and let me know if some of the manifestations did come true, just like mine. I won out of more than 200 people took part in this contest, and I won. And it's amazing how the universe and how this manifestation things work. And I hope you have a nice day or a nice night or whatever, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this video, share it with your friends, and see you soon.